Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting devices and network ready. Plug the Google TV player into power and an HDMI port, then switch your TV to that input. Make sure the remote has batteries and your Wi-Fi name and password are at hand because you will enter them next. Once the device boots, you'll see a pairing or welcome screen. This first step is essential so the device can reach the internet and download the latest setup files. You now complete the on-screen configuration. Pair the remote when prompted and follow the guided prompts to choose language and accessibility options. Sign in with your Google account so apps, subscriptions, and recommendations sync. This is why signing in matters. It restores purchases and personalized content. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and input the password, then allow the device to download updates and any necessary apps. Make sure to stay on the screen until the process finishes to avoid corrupt installs. You finish by installing key streaming apps, signing into each, and customizing the home layout so content appears as you prefer. Test playback to confirm audio and video are correct. Also check your TV's HDMI settings. Set resolution and enable or disable HDMI CEC depending on whether you want the remote to control the TV. If something fails, power cycle the TV, router, and Google TV first. If problems persist, factory reset the Google TV as a targeted troubleshooting step to clear configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.